Two major errors. Did you spot them? The first, I left the radio mic in the boot of the car. The second, I forgot to take the GoPro with me. I was so excited to go and see the Puffins. So rather than waste all the video, this is what I've put together. Enjoy. Have you? Okay. So it wasn't loads there this morning. We spotted 3, which was pretty cool. But now we're going to go down to another location, see if we can see some more. So several puffins today in flight. Down to Flamborough because Bempton Cliffs was a little bit quiet, and struck lucky. There was several there, which was cool. So see them on the big screen when I get home.